If you run a WooCommerce store with a membership site, offering exclusive member discounts is an easy way to boost loyalty and conversions. People love feeling special. So here are 3 simple ways on how to set this up. Hey there! In this video, you'll learn how to offer members-only discounts in WooCommerce using the free paid member subscriptions plugin, whether that means discounted prices or exclusive deals based on membership level. Before we start, here's what you'll need. WooCommerce installed and active, with a few products already set up, and paid member subscriptions installed and activated. This will help connect your membership plans with WooCommerce products, pricing, and discounts. Once that's ready, we can jump straight into the setup. Next, head over to Paid Member Subscriptions, Subscription Plans. Here you can either create a new plan or edit an existing one. For example, in my case, it will be something like a Gold membership. Once you created the plan and edit all the necessary details, make sure to click Save. This membership will be used to unlock exclusive discounts in WooCommerce. Amazing! Now that the setup is ready, let's start with the actual discounts. The first method would be offering an exclusive discount per subscription plan. In the same area where you have previously created the plans, below the subscription plans details, we have the product discounts meta box. Here we can create product discounts that will only be available to people who subscribe to this specific plan. All you have to do is click on Add New Discount, select a product or even entire product category, and add the discount details that fit your needs. After that, make sure to click Save Subscription. You can add multiple individual discounts as well, if you want to offer discounts for a specific handful of products. All the product discounts added here will be applied to users who purchased this subscription plan. In our case, the Gold plan. Coupons work especially well with email marketing, for example. You can reward loyal members or encourage upgrades with exclusive offers. The second angle is to create subscription-specific discounts for individual products. All you have to do is edit a WooCommerce product and scroll down to the membership discount section in the product settings. Here you can set a special price visible only to specific membership plans, keep the regular price for non-members, and automatically show the discount price to logged-in members. You can go even more in depth and restrict product access altogether. Simply scroll to the content restriction section and you'll be able to select which members can view this product, or even limit who can purchase it. This works great for members-only pricing, wholesale-style discounts, or VIP product deals. This is one of the most handy setups because the discount is applied automatically and members don't need extra steps to get it. Last but not least, you can also restrict entire pages to members only. Simply go to Pages, All Pages, and edit the page you want to hide. For example, a members-only deals page where you would offer exclusive discounts, or even your entire shop page if you want a completely exclusive store. In the WordPress editor, scroll down to the Paid Member Subscriptions Content Restriction box. From here, you can select which membership plans can access the page and choose what happens to non-members. For example, redirect, show a message, or show a specific template. Now, only members will be able to access this page and see the discounted offers, while everyone else is locked out. Exclusive discounts give people a reason to become members and stay subscribed. You're not just offering lower prices, you're creating a sense of exclusivity. And the best part, everything runs automatically once it's set up. If this video helped, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more WordPress and membership tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.